There are quite a few ways to swap Pi to USDT, but among all these ways, which is the cheapest and easiest? What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the cheapest and easiest way to swap your Pi to USDT. Of course, when making transactions on the blockchain, gas fee is a major thing to consider, and in Pi's case, it is no less different. To process a very fast, cheap, and efficient swap of Pi to USDT, the steps we'll take would be to go to Pi browser. Now, once you're in your Pi browser, click on the arrow at the top to expose the URL. Now go to piswaps.com and click enter. Now this will bring you to a utility app on the Pi blockchain. Now this allows you to swap your Pi to any token and also allows you to do other decentralized exchange operations. Now to do this, to swap our Pi to USDT, what you need to do next is click on the get started. And once you click on that, click on the P2P. And once you're here, authenticate your wallet. Now allow this to process and then you'll be given access to your dashboard. Now, as you can see, I currently have about 4,000 plus Pi on my wallet, and I will be swapping some of these to USDT. Now, to do that, first thing you have to do is to click on the BTC to change your token to Tether USDT. Now, once that is done, provide the quantity of USDT that you want to swap. In this case, I would swap, say, 500 Pi. Now this will result to 105 USDT. Then I'll click on the swap, then allow it to process the transaction. As you can see, I've successfully swapped 500 Pi for 105 USDT. Now, to further complete our transactions, which is moving this token that we've swapped to our Trust wallet, the steps to take would be to come to the send option, the send side. Now we select on the network that would, sorry, the token that we want to transfer, and in this case it will be the Tether USDT. And once that is selected, select the network you want to use to transfer this. I could use Ethereum, but I will choose to use BSC because it is cheaper to use BSC. Now the next thing to do would be to go to our Trust wallet and then copy our Trust wallet address for USDT. USDT and receive, copy the address, and then we come back to the application. um, we provide the address here, and then come here, provide the amount we want to. This should be the amount that you want to send out, the what quantity of um, what quantity of USDT you want to send out to the address that has been provided. Now, now you click on the amount 100. The memo section can be left untouched. You can fill it in if you want to. It's optional. Now, come down here. You will see how much fee you'll be paying to make this transfer. You can see that they're only charging 0.472217 Pi. This is way less than $1. Way less than a cent, than 10 cents rather. So this is cheaper than any other platform that I have seen, or any other way to swap your Pi to USDT. Now click on the transfer to complete the transaction. Allow this to process. It will take a few seconds and we'll probably see success. All right, as you can see, we have successfully sent 100 USDT to our wallet. And as you can see, that is the notification on our wallet. Let's click on it, and it's brought us back to our wallet. Let's close the receive. um I don't know why that showed up, but as you can see, we have 100 USDT here, and we can go to the history, and then you see this transaction, the 100 USDT. You can see the 100 USDT here. Guys, I hope that the video has been helpful. If it has been, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Also comment if you have anything to say. I'll be in the comment section to help out with any confusions you have. Until next time, stay safe.